Hello everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, bringing you yet another jump starter. This is the Irihup. I don't know where they come up with these names, I swear. If you look on Amazon and you start scrolling through all the different jump starters out there, every one of them has some odd name. This one's no different. It's Irihup. Anyways, I every time I do one of these, I swear I'm done. I'm never going to do another one of these again. I've got enough jump starters. I've given some away. They just keep coming. Anyways, there's only one reason that I allowed this one to come, that I agreed for it to come here. Well, two reasons. But the first reason is the size. That is why I agreed to bring this one into the shop, was because of the size. Look at how nice and small that is. That is a great size for storing on your motorcycle if you need one. Or maybe your buddy needs one. Maybe somebody else that's on the ride would need one. The other reason that I allowed this one to come into my shop is because they've assured me that this will start a completely dead battery. And that is very important on these older motorcycles. It's actually quite important on any motorcycle, but especially these. Now this motorcycle here, it's an LT. You've seen it in one other video. It was the one where I tested another jump starter out. The battery in this thing is completely dead. I mean, it's really dead. You turn the key on and there's not even the clock is on. There's nothing here at all. So this battery and this bike is a fair representation of why you would need a jump starter if, in fact, you were going to start this. Now, this bike in this condition isn't going to start. The gas tank it's just sitting here, but there's actually no fuel pump in it. There's no fuel injectors on this bike. I definitely can get the thing to turn over. So let's give that a try, shall we? So let's just briefly go over what you get here on this kit. Once you charge it up, of course, you have some different ports here. You've got the jump port itself right there, and a in-out USB that goes for the USB-C. You have two other USB ports going out, which I really like that, especially, if you take this thing camping. Let's say you take it camping, a motorcycle camping. Man, you're able to charge up your phone, and then you can put this thing on your bike during the day, run a wire to it, and charge it back up while you're out enjoying yourself riding. Looks like there's a little clear plastic on here. I never like those things. I got to take those off. I don't see where a tab is on it. All right, well, I won't do that right now. No, let's go ahead and try this thing out. Most of these units, I'm pretty confident that they're going to work. This one says it's got a starting current at 1,000 amps. The model is the FC600 Pro. It's 12 volt starting voltage, of course. It's got the USB output, a 5 volt and a 2.4 at 2.4 amps. That's for USB 1. The other one is a varied one. You can probably read that. It's got a capacity of 66.6 watt hours. Why didn't they just make it 667? That would have been nice. I'm not sure. This might be a gremlin. No. It's, I don't know why it's 66.6. Oh, this stuff drives me crazy. It's like one of those things, you just gotta pick. As you can see, I'm chewing it up, but I'm not getting the stuff off of there. Come on now. Alright, got it finally started. There we go, the satisfying peel. Alright, let's show you real briefly, too, just what it comes with. Of course, it comes with a little instruction manual inside this nice case. I do like the case. It's very cool that it came with a case. A lot of times these don't come with cases. You have a USB-C charge cable. You've got this is very nice to have. Goes in the charge port, and you've got a 12 volt out, like cigarette lighter type 12 volt adapter. And then you've got your unit. So I'm going to plug this thing in. and we will try to crank over this bike. See it? It's got a little light there that flashes on and off. I think it's just saying that there's no connection right now. Hook it up to the battery. It's left of the battery, and we'll see what it does. Alright, it came on, it's clicking, it's certainly making contact, that's great. Oh yeah, we got lots of power here. Nice. Alright, there's just a very brief demonstration of the Irihup. This one is going to go in my side bag. I'm going to definitely travel with this one when I go places. I really like the size. Again, that's why I agreed to check this one out. So if you'd like to have one of these small, very lightweight units for your motorcycle, by all means check the description. That's right down below. It'll have a link, or it will be on my Amazon page, which is also linked down below. So, guys, that's the Irihup. Thanks so much for watching. And I will be bringing some other videos very soon, including one on this bike. Thanks a lot.